Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix add yours not working on Instagram Android. So of course, maybe some of you encounter this that you can't see this add yours feature on Instagram. First, you have to launch your Instagram and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, let me tap this plus icon and let me share or post something here on Instagram to show you what is this add yours feature here. If you tap this sticker icon above, you will see this option or feature that says add yours. Okay, so you can add something here. Now, if you can see it below here, then you can tap the search icon and then type add yours and it might show up. But if or in case, even if you type here, even if you look down or scroll down, you can't see this add yours, then we should do this method. So go to your phone settings, and then here you have to locate your app list or app management if you're using Android. Tap app management and then click app list. Now here you have to scroll down and look for Instagram, or you can just simply go to the search icon and then type Instagram. Now, once you locate Instagram, what you want to do next is to simply tap this storage usage and then look for clear cache. All you have to do is simply click this clear cache. After that, you now click offload, or you can just simply uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. So to do that, tap force stop and then open it again, or you just have to long press uninstall. Now after that, go to your Play Store and then search for your Instagram application. And then you have to simply install it again. Okay. And then after you install, click open and try to launch your Instagram application. Try to capture something or post something. Go to this sticker icon and then look for add yours and see if this method works. Okay, so I really hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.